How you doing and welcome to the channel. I wasn't expecting this today at my door. This is a little unboxing. 20-piece DeWalt dw1177 black oxide kit. 20 in the slots. 17 in the slots. 3 extra in the side. Now I have a couple of poisons I can use to open it. These old Craftsman's made in the US that I purchased in the 90s. They don't even make these anymore. This is from Sears, not no Lowe's. This is before Lowe's time. Blades are new on these. They don't even make the orange Stanleys anymore. I haven't seen these in a very long time. I bought these in the 90s. The green one made a comeback, but not this model number. The 1079 Stanley. These are US made. Not global material like nowadays. Or I got my trusty, for the hell of it, I bought Wally's World pocket knife just for unboxing purposes, not for EDC. It can be used for EDC if you want. I sharpened it pretty nice. Has a nice little curve, little edge. I know that black oxide, I'm going to probably get comments. Oh, you should have gotten the titanium or the cobalt or the gold. I couldn't refuse the deal. It was $10. Can't go wrong. These are better than my Hobie, hands down. I have another set of DeWalt's I have had a couple of years. Handed up regular use, perfectly fine. Gone through metal many times. Those are built pretty well. Yes, they have a newer set of these that Home Depot has. Which can't go wrong. Let's get this popping. I had to put this on pause a minute. I almost dropped the phone. But also I can't hold and cut it one hand. Not where I'm located right now. Let's pull this set out. Put this to the side. Ended up going with my old Craftsman for the poison. Still works. Please, Sears, don't die for certain things, but this is well made. And so are these. So don't be ashamed to buy these if you see these. Now this color one, you can find this in Wally's World, Walmart. I forgot the price, but when I got these, I did not got these in Wally's World. I think I bought these in Pergament or Ace or True Value, one of those places. They're still around when I bought these. That's how far back I go with those two Stanleys. Let's see these bits. Pretty nice. Comes with a 1/2 inch, 3/8, 5/16, 1/4, 15/64, 7/32, 13/64, 1/16, 1/16, 5/64, 3/32, 7/64, 1/8, 9/64, 5/32, 11/64, 3/16. And the extra is a 1/16, 3/32, and 1/8. I guess those are the common ones that break, so they give you extra. It's a nice little kit. Black oxide, crispy. Nice. Let's see how this set shuts. The bits are situated in there. Sure it shuts. New sets are a little bit tougher to shut until they break in. Nice. Yeah, I like it. Let's play the 3-cup game. Which is which? All DeWalt. Actually, this is the new set. The dw1177. This is the dw1163 13 piece. And this is the Max Fit, which I have yet to do a video on YouTube on. Figure. I get these bits, but I didn't do a video. I don't know why. I don't do many videos on YouTube lately. I've been real busy. I didn't do an unboxing, but I've used them. Very good set, I'll tell you that much. For the price I paid, which was $10 at the time at Home Depot, and now they're back to full retail, $13. Best bang for the buck, I'll tell you that much. Very good quality. This magnet's pretty strong, considering. I've had one of these. This is my second one, or third. These are pretty good. I think my original one, which I felt it, I still have it. You know, I had to fix the back. Rubber was peeling. Is made better at that time. But it comes with 2 bits. I mean 2 socket bits. A couple of hex. Phillips flatheads. You know, the usual. Usual bits. And you can expand on this. They have a longer Phillips head. They got a Torx bit set that you can buy. A bunch of other things. They have bigger kits as well. The Max Fit is nice. I'm definitely going to be expanding on this set. It's going to help me in my daily routines every day. This is my old trusty 13-bit set I've had for years. As you can see, they're in pretty good shape, considering. I had to replace the 1/8. Well, one of them. Then I said, and it came in a 2-pack, so I just took the other one out, put gold. Or else these would be all black oxide. I didn't want to buy gold oxide. I mean the black ones. The black oxide were a little more than these. Go figure. I found a deal on these DeWalts, so I couldn't resist. Or else it'd be all black oxide, but this is what this 13-bit comes with. 116, 2 of them. 564, 332s, 2 of them. 764, 1 of them, and 2 1/8s. 1 964, 1 532, 1 316, 1 732, and 1 1/4. I mean, it's a nice little set. It's definitely a good set. I like it. Definitely worth the money. Can't refuse, you know? So now I got 3 little bit sets for work. Thank you for watching my video. Hit the bell icon for post notifications, future videos. Comment if you like the content. and what you want to see next, let me know. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a good day, and thank you for your continued support. And also, I gotta give a quick shout out to Autobahn Dan, as well as EJ Demon, for sending me stickers.